Hey, I'm Mike Young, service manager in Charlotte. We're here at the 2024 spring cleaning of the shop. This is the third, fourth year we've done this. We bring in basically all departments. We have parts, inventory, sales, service. Some employees bring their kids, spouses, clean up everything. We all have a good day on a Saturday. We bring in breakfast, bring in lunch. We basically take everything out of the shop. Clean the floors, pressure wash the floors. This year we're actually changing all the light bulbs in the shop, wiping out the fixtures, putting new bulbs in, cleaning up pretty much everything. The first year we done this, it was a big undertaking. We really got rid of a lot of stuff. The second year, it wasn't near as bad. So year over year, you can actually see from the previous year how much cleaner that it is. By nature, a lot of our technicians are pack rats, so we collect a lot of stuff that we think we may need. So if it's here, we take it out of the shop. If we're going to carry it out and carry it back in, then it needs to be worth taking back in. This really brings the departments together. It gives you time to spend with sales guys and service and parts that we normally don't have the opportunity day to day. We're busy working. This kind of puts us together for some bonding and really builds some relationships. I think it really helps. Makes for a nice place to start back to work for the spring.